10 ways to keep that spark alive in your marriage. Let's have a look at them. Communicate regularly. It is an important factor, extremely important that we have an open and honest communication. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with each other. Brings you a step closer. Date nights. Plan some date nights. Make time for regular date nights. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a simple walk in the park, spending quality time together is the key. Sometimes we, over the years, forget to do this and we think it's no big deal. Surprise each other. Small surprises can go a long way. You need not really plan something very big, and take the stress of doing it. It can just be a small handwritten note, a favorite treat, an ice cream, or an unexpected gift can make your partner feel really special. Show appreciation. Regularly express gratitude for your partner. Acknowledge the little things they do and say thank you often. It is very important, even in the smallest of the things like making a cup of tea that he and she has done. Just say thank you or just say it's really nice, it made my day. Keep the physical intimacy alive. Physical attention, affection is extremely important. It need not always be having that all the time together. No. But over a period of time, just holding your hands, just sitting next to each other, a small hug, a small kiss, that itself makes a world of difference. Try new activities together. Explore new hobbies or activities as a couple. This can bring excitement and novelty in your relationship. Trying something new will always add that spark and make you look forward to a lot of things together. Planning, making time for each other, and just trying that something new brings a smile on our face. Spend time apart. As much as spending time together is important, having that little time, me time, is also important. It's healthy to have individual interests and time apart. Set goals together. Work towards common goals, whether they are related to your home, finances, or personal growth. This fosters teamwork and shared sense of purpose. It helps you come together. Resolve conflicts quickly. Don't let conflicts fester. Address issues calmly and respectfully and seek to solve them as soon as possible. My suggestion would always be to all my clients that don't sleep over it. If it has happened, then try and finish it that particular time and don't sleep over it and keep it running for days or weeks together. Stay playful. Don't forget to have fun together. Joke, laugh, keep a sense of humor in your relationship. Playfulness can keep this relationship light and joyful, and it will keep you going in the long run. All those small little things can help you have that smile on your face and even go through the ups and downs together. Do give it a try and see how it works wonders for your marriage.